today's topic is community health nursing. Before going to community health nursing, we have to know that what is health and what is community. So here it is. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. That means a person is called healthy when his or her all dimensions of health are okay. Means the person is free from any physical illness, mental illness and socially as well as spiritually well adjusted. Then the person is called healthy person. Then next is community. The community is a social group determined by geographical boundaries and or common values and interest. That means community refers to a specific geographical location where the members have common values and interest. So now come to the definition of community health nursing. Community health nursing is a synthesis of nursing and public health practice applied for promoting and preserving the health of population. It says that community health nursing primarily focuses on the public and or community. The main aim or strategies are promoting the health of the community people, preventing the disease and preserving or maintaining the health of the population. So primarily the definition is basically focuses on the disease prevention and health promotion. Then the objectives of community health nursing: to increase the capability of individual, family and groups. It says that by community health nursing, it built the capability of individuals, families and groups. By these, every individual can fight against any disease and maintain their healthy life. Second point is to strengthen the community resources. It says that community health nursing focuses on the utilization of community resources, means resources which are available in the community like people, houses, school, site, places, etc. So next is to prevent and control the communicable or non-communicable diseases. So next is functions of community health nurse. So the first function is home visiting. It is done to know the health status of every members of the family. Next is running family planning clinic. Next is assist in antenatal clinic and postnatal clinic to check the maternal health and child health. Fourth point is conduct school health services, where the nurse check the health status of school going child to provide health education on hygiene, nutrition, prevention of communicable disease and to collect history and to check the health status of that particular school going child. So next is collect information from the community people, and the last is identify the cases which needs referral services. That means the diseases which cannot manage at subcenter level, those should be referred. There are some other functions are present, that is care provider. The nurse must focuses on the care of individuals and their families to help them recover from the illness and maintain optimal health and quality of life. Then next is educator. The nurse should educate the community people about healthy lifestyle and disease prevention, as well as teaches the students. They are responsible for designing, implementing, evaluating healthcare program and educational programs. The next is leader. The nurse as a leader oversees a team of nurses and making decisions or directing patient care initiatives. Mainly the nurse leader leads his or her team for a specific goal. The next is manager. The nurse is responsible for managing human and financial resources, ensuring patient and staff satisfaction, and maintaining a safe environment for staff, patient, and visitors. So, next is advocate. Here, the nurse who works on behalf of patient to maintain a quality of care and protect the patient's right. So, means the advocate here, the nurse plays the role on behalf of patient to protect their rights. Then next is collaborator. The nurse should collaborate with other healthcare provider or other healthcare personnel. Collaboration requires all members of a team working to their full potential on behalf of patient for quality care, to maintain their health and to prevent the disease of the community people.